man. It is such a boring day today here at Hang Ten Car Wash. All I can do is just stand outside the car wash. I wonder what I should do today. Wait. I have an idea. I'm going to fire a laser at Queen Merelda, and I will do it with my laser gun. Ha 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 ha.
Wow, I really love the vacuums here at Hang Ten Car Wash. Especially when this one can clean the interior of my Volvo S60 very well. Alright, time for me to head back to Wario Land. Ow, that was painful than I ever expected. To just fire a laser at me.
It was me, Queen Merelda. I fired a laser at you, and I did it with my laser gun.
Oh my god. Mr. Doctor Eggman, I can't believe this. You fired a laser at me with your laser gun. You know that firing lasers at people is an act of crime. Now I'm terribly injured and I have to go to the hospital thanks to you.
Oh my god. Guys, what just happened? I saw a laser being fired while I was working inside Hang Ten Car Wash. Queen Merelda, you look terribly injured. What happened?
Well, Mike, I was about to leave Hang Ten Car Wash after cleaning the interior of my Volvo S60. But before I could leave, I was hit by a laser which Mr. Doctor Eggman had fired out of his laser gun.
Mr. Doctor Eggman, what the heck is the matter with you? You fired a laser at Queen Merelda with your laser gun just as she was about to leave Hang Ten Car Wash. You know that firing a laser at someone is an act of crime. Now Queen Merelda is terribly injured and she has to go to the hospital thanks to you. That's it. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave this car wash and go home right now, and I will contact your parents.
No 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 no.
Mr. Doctor Eggman. You brain-dead bastard. We can't believe you fired a laser at Queen Merelda with your laser gun just as she was about to leave Hang Ten Car Wash. Didn't you realize that firing a laser at someone is an act of crime?
You should be ashamed of yourself, young man. Now Queen Merelda is terribly injured and she has to go to the hospital thanks to you firing a laser at her with your laser gun. For this, you are grounded until Queen Merelda recovers from her injuries. Now surrender your laser gun to us, and then go straight to your room.
Why?